In a world where the line between science fiction and reality blurs, envisioning the transformative power of AI becomes increasingly tantalizing. Perhaps you've pondered the possibilities while watching I Am Mother, a film that plunges audiences into a future shaped by AI's dominion. Yet this future isn't confined to the silver screen. It's a narrative echoing in the corridors of scientific innovation. Enter Stickbug, a marvel of modern engineering poised to revolutionize not only our agricultural landscape, but also our very relationship with nature. This video delves into the profound implications of Stickbug, a precision pollination robot, offering a glimpse into a future where technology and biology intertwine to safeguard our planet's fragile ecosystems. In recent years, the world has witnessed a distressing decline in the populations of numerous animal species, particularly those critical to our ecosystems, such as bees, moths, and butterflies. As these vital pollinators teeter on the brink of extinction, the reverberations are felt worldwide. Their disappearance not only threatens the delicate balance of our ecosystems, but also poses an unprecedented threat to global food security. Pollination, often overlooked yet essential, lies at the heart of agricultural productivity. The intricate dance between pollinators and plants facilitates the growth of fruits, vegetables, and seeds, upon which our food supply hinges. With the dwindling number of natural pollinators, this delicate process is thrown into jeopardy, leaving crops at risks of low yields or even failure. Faced with this looming crisis, scientists and engineers have embarked on a quest for innovative solutions to safeguard our food security. Amidst this pursuit, precision pollination robots emerge as a beacon of hope. These technological marvels offer a glimpse into a future where artificial intelligence and robotics converge to fill the void left by declining pollinator populations. By mimicking the precision and efficacy of natural pollinators, these robots have the potential to revolutionize agriculture. With their ability to navigate diverse environments and target specific plant species, they hold the promise of bolstering crop yields and ensuring the resilience of our food systems in the face of ecological challenges. One of the first technologies of this kind was established in September 2019. Polybee operates two primary types of drone platforms: small, palm-sized drones for navigating confined spaces in fully indoor vertical farming settings, and slightly larger drones for use in greenhouses with less stringent space limitations. These drones are intended to be fully autonomous, aiming to eradicate inconsistencies and reduce labor costs. Engineered for efficiency and precision, they have the capacity to pollinate hundreds of thousands of flowers daily, thereby enhancing productivity in a cost-effective manner. Now there's a new robot making its way into the agricultural field. Researchers at West Virginia University have developed a groundbreaking precision pollination robot named Stickbug. Combining precision and scalability, Stickbug represents a significant leap forward in robotic pollination systems. Unlike its predecessors, Stickbug boasts 6 robotic manipulators, each capable of independent action, thereby increasing efficiency and coverage. Stickbug's design is a testament to meticulous engineering, featuring a compact holonomic kiwi drive for seamless navigation in confined spaces, a tall mast for reaching various plant heights, and a sophisticated detection model to identify target flowers. Stickbug is a versatile pollination powerhouse. Its felt-tipped end effector ensures gentle yet effective pollination, mimicking the delicate touch of natural pollinators. Initial experiments with Stickbug have yielded promising results, with the robot achieving over 1.5 pollinations per minute with a 50% success rate. Moreover, the researchers have made their flower perception dataset publicly available, along with Stickbug's software and design files, fostering collaboration and further innovation in the field. Looking ahead, the team plans to conduct experiments on live plants during the flowering season, refine flower recognition algorithms, and enhance manipulator capabilities to optimize pollination efficiency. As the global population continues to rise and environmental pressures mount, the need for sustainable agricultural practices becomes increasingly urgent. Precision pollination robots like Stickbug offer a glimpse into a future where technology and nature work hand in hand to ensure food security for generations to come. With continued research and development, these robotic marvels may soon become indispensable allies in our quest to preserve biodiversity and nourish our planet by creating a beneficial synergy between nature and technology. Well, that's all for today. Please let me know in the comments section your thoughts about this type of technology. And if you like this content, make sure you press the subscribe button to be up to date with everything we post.